Meniscus is a C-shaped piece of cartilage that acts as a shock absorber between the thigh bone, called the femur, and the shin bone, called the tibia. Each knee has two menisci. The medial meniscus is located on the inside of the knee, while the lateral meniscus is on the outside. In addition to cushioning the joint, the menisci help stabilize the knee and distribute weight evenly during movement. Meniscal transplant surgery is performed to relieve pain, improve knee function, and help delay or prevent the progression of arthritis. The procedure is typically performed under general anesthesia and may be done as an outpatient or inpatient surgery. The surgeon begins by inserting an arthroscope, a thin fiber optic camera, through small incisions to view the inside of the knee. The replacement meniscus comes from a carefully screened deceased donor. Before surgery, the donor tissue is precisely measured and shaped to match the patient's knee. A small incision is then made over the damaged area of the knee. The damaged meniscus is removed, and the attachment site is carefully prepared for the transplant. Under arthroscopic guidance, the donor meniscus is positioned in its correct location. It is then secured to the surrounding tissues with sutures, which may require an additional small incision. Screws or other fixation devices may also be used to firmly anchor the transplanted meniscus in place.